welcome. This is just a little video here, and I've really slacked off on any videos from my channel lately. Been so damn busy. Had a front yard put in. It's all drought proof with rocks and rockery and low carrying plants, whatever they call them. And just had the backyard lawn installed, and I have to water it twice a week, or twice a day, I should say. Have that starting to grow back, and while I'm waiting for that to grow in, we come here to the nearby dog park, which is really nice. And I'm just letting Spirit run around for an hour and a half, visiting all the other dogs, just getting her exercise taken care of that she can't do in the back until the grass is in nice and good. So anyway, she's doing real well. She listens to me and comes when I whistle or call her name, comes up and just sits in front of me. And she gets along with all the dogs out here. Oh, gotta take another crap, get out my little pink baggie, pick that up. But yeah, a lot of these videos that I will be posting on what's left of my channel will be spur of the moment, off the cuff, off the wing, whatever they call them. So, where's that turd at? Oh, I guess that wasn't a turd. She must have just peed. She pees a lot, it seems. More than other dogs I've had. Where'd she go? There she is. She likes to get up on there and picnic tables. Gets a much better view. Can you see her? She likes to be up high, where she has a good view over the grounds. And this is a really nice dog park. They've really fixed this place up nice. It's got a huge area over there for picnics and events. Then behind that they've got a large play area for kids. And then they've got one or two short little trails through the woods here. Then another trail that goes down behind this property to a large field. So there's plenty of room to roam. We haven't gone over to the big dog park at Stillicum Park across the I-5 over in Lakewood area. Really no sense to go that far now that we have this nice place here. I don't know how many acres this is, but they've cleaned this up, fixed it up, done a really excellent job over the past, I don't know, 4 years. And now it's a great place to come. About a 5-minute drive and we're here. So this is a good place to come. This will give my lawn a chance to grow and get healthy and thick, and still give her plenty of room to run around. I don't necessarily walk her on a leash around my neighborhood. It's just I'd rather bring her down here, let her run free. But yeah, things are moving along. Like I said, I got my front yard installed, got my backyard that was falling apart fence fixed, strong, and then I just recently had my rear lawn leveled and put in. So now it's just a point where I gotta water it twice a day, morning and evening, and let it grow. Keep the dog off it. And let's see. Oh yeah, start paying it off in big wads, as much as I can afford after paying my other mandatory bills. Start paying down the old credit card so that can be used again. And then of course the next really big bill will be when I take my RV in here in a month and a half to get the Starlink put on and the repairs done to the interior. It needs new headlights. The other headlights here, the originals, they're shot. I've tried all those ways to, toothpaste and shiny stuff to make the lenses, but they're just, after, I don't know, the thing was 2007, so since then it's just opaque. Like in pitch black darkness with these headlights, I swear my lights weren't on, because people coming up alongside of me in newer cars with all these super duper bulbs in them just wash my headlights out as if they're not even on. And I have put different lights in, tried the different bulbs, don't do shit. So I'm just going to get 2 new headlights put in, complete. And then like I said, the Starlink, I'm looking at paying attention, there we go, and clean the interior up. And I plan to go to some Washington State campgrounds eventually, sometime, hopefully a couple or more, and go on little road trips once the yard's taken care of and the RV's taken care of. And yeah, I'm glad I have Spirit. I still miss Ember. Ember really attached herself to me, and she was just too much. She had more energy than Spirit had. Sorry for looking at the grouse so much. I'm just trying to walk and talk and think. I know sometimes those things get harder to do when you get older. Of course, some people never can do that, all those things at once. Oh boy. So yeah, that's about what's happening with us here at this point in time. The weather is finally starting to look good. Hopefully we're out of the wet season or wet winter. They have temperatures this week ranging anywhere from the mid 50s to near 80. I tell you, when things change up here nowadays, they change like flipped on their heads. It's not the kind of climate I grew up in up here. It's just flip-flopped, But yep. Where are you, Spirit? Oh. She's grazing on some of the really new plants. A lot of people think that dogs eat that because they have an upset stomach, but what I've learned from vets is that dogs will eat grass that helps their digestion, and at times if they are upset, they'll eat different grass that makes them throw up. So they do it for various reasons. What's up? What's up, Spirit? Well, we have some new friends here. Hi, pup. Got all kinds of breeds, sizes, and that of dogs up here. And they all get along. Spirit's done real well with all of them. Never been a hassle or fight. Okay, well, I guess well, I guess that's it for right now. We'll do a little bit longer here, then we'll go home, have lunch, relax in the back patio, watching the grass grow. Okay, so if you're still hanging in with us, I don't know when I'll put these things out, helter-skelter, whenever I feel like it. But yeah, we're right. We're just in a lull. I'm putting all my energy into fixing up my house, and pretty much got the outside taken care of now, just letting it grow. Now I gotta work on the inside, and that's a bit of a mess also. So I have high hopes of getting everything done so I can get out after I've spent a couple of months paying down the old bills for all this work I've done, or having done. I can get in my RV and actually do a little traveling in this state, or the coast of Washington and Oregon, and show you guys some of that. They're not going to be fancy smancy like a lot of these professional YouTubers that live on their income. It's just going to be kind of up in the air. Nothing for sure. So that's why you'll have to just keep checking in on us. Okay? Well, for Doggone RV'N, this is Spirit and I saying adios amigos. Hasta la vista.